Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm Brooklyn08 and I collect Pandora, troll beads, and a few ohm beads. This video will feature my Trollbeads Gemstone collection. It's a tag video, which was started by my Pandora and Trollbeads sister, Pandora Panda. I've put a link to her two-part gemstone video in my description box. She has a wonderful collection of gemstones. So, let's get started. First is my favorite gemstone. It's the Prehnite with Tourmalinated Quartz. It's a beauty. No two are alike. Next is the ruby Zoisite, which is a gorgeous mixture of deep green and a purpley burgundy. It's fabulous. The next three are Amethyst, Rutilated Quartz, and Strawberry Quartz. The Rutilated Quartz was the Trollbeads Day bead for 2017. Mine doesn't have much rutile, but this particular bead has a great deal of variation. Some have lots of rutile, some have very little, and then others have a few pronounced strands. But I think they're all really lovely. I love these soft colors. The next three are red Chalcedony with Hematite, steel Hematite, and Snowflake Obsidian. I love the way they dance in the light. These three are Chalcedony, Sodalite, and Feldspar Azurite Rock. I love the blue tint of the Chalcedony. You'll see this one is smooth, not faceted. This Sodalite is a lovely blue, not as vibrant as the Lapis Lazuli, but a very pretty blue. And I love the blue, white, and gray of this Azurite. Next are the Agate Dendritic, the Milky Quartz, and the Moss Agate. I've noticed lots of variation with the agate beads. They can look very different, which I think is part of the appeal of gemstones. I love the pattern in this Agate Dendritic, and there you see inclusions. Really pretty. And this moss agate, I've seen some where the green veins are much more pronounced. This one is more subtle. This is the Amazonite, followed by the Feldspar Quartz and the Serpentine. I love the soft opaqueness of these beads. The Serpentine was recently retired, so if you want to add one to your collection, be aware that it might not be around much longer. In fact, several of the beads I've shown were recently retired. The Milky Quartz, the Steel Hematite, the Feldspar Azurite, and the Agate Dendritic were retired too. I was fortunate to find this Serpentine for 50% off at Great Lakes Boutique. I was also able to find this Calcite Rock bead and the Zebra Jasper bead for half off at the same sale. These two beads were also retired. The Calcite Rock was retired in 2021, and the Zebra Jasper left the collection in 2019. Next are my small round gemstones. This one is Malachite. These are our Labradorites. And I just love the way the Labradorite beads flash. Look at that. Isn't that fabulous? Look how it catches a light. Look at that. Beautiful beads. This is the Lapis Lazuli, and you can see some gold veining there. My light is reflecting in that bead, but I think you can still see the veining. This also has some flash. This is the Sunstone. It's a beautiful bead. I also like to wear one of my Sunstones in my ring. So here's the ring of, I think it's Ring of Change. I think I might be wrong with the name, but that's a fantasy ring, and I'm wearing it with a Sunstone and a silver wraparound bead. It is my favorite way now to wear this ring, with the wraparound bead. Next is an onyx bead. These are Aventurine beads. And the last bead is a red garnet. Very nice beads. The next set of gemstones are larger than the round stones, but slimmer than the first set I presented. This is the striped Onyx Kit. I love the way these beads look. The stripes make these beads. The next are 3 blue agate beads. One is plain and 2 are striped. I particularly like the pattern on this middle bead, the stripe pattern here. Look at that. And the next 3 beads are the pink agate beads. The one on the right is a striped agate. And in addition to that stripe, which seems like a white stripe, the pink is a slightly different shade. It's more peachy than pink. And these 3 are rose quartz beads. And you'll see that there's variation in these beads as well, because the bead on the right is much clearer than these other 2 beads. beautiful. The next beads were part of the limited edition Summer Stones collection. The first two beads are red mud jasper. The next bead is Rhyolite. This is an African amethyst. And this is a Dalmatian jasper. The other beads in this kit were Canadian Jade and a zebra jasper. These three beads are part of the Mookaite energy kit. I love that olive stripe in the bead in the middle. And these beads are all also jasper. The next three beads are Hematite. The first one is yellow hematite, and the next two are red hematite, although they present like they are purple. I don't know that my camera is really doing these beads justice. The color is vibrant and metallic. And these two beads are tiger's eye. The next three beads are jade beads. One is green and the other two are yellow. The green is very light, almost white. There are inclusions, and there are differences between the yellow jade beads. The one in the middle is a little creamier than the one on the right. They're great neutral beads and do look good with a variety of other beads. And last are gemstones set in silver. Whoop. These 5 beads, the first 5, are from one of Trollbeads' zodiac lines. The first is the Star of Purity, which features onyx. The second is the Star of Intuition, which features tiger's eye, and the gemstones are only on one side. The other side is plain. This is the Star of Power, which features Lapis Lazuli. This is the Star of Energy, which features a garnet. And this is the Star of Courage, which features a carnelian. This bead is from another one of Trollbeads' zodiac lines, and it's the Taurus bead, which features chrysoprase. Again, the gemstone is only on one side. There you can see hallmarks. And the last bead is the red halo bead. It features a faceted red tiger's eye. Beautiful. At the top and at the bottom. And there's this beautiful silver work wrapped around the bead. That goes all the way around. Lovely. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks again, Pandora Panda, for starting this tag. And thanks everyone for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, everybody. Bye.